Hello dear students, my name is Shashank Shekhar, Master Teacher of Mathematics at Vedantu. Here we are presenting solutions for KUPY 2019 essay stream, that is class 11. In this video I have taken a question from part 2 of the paper, question number 4. Let's have a look. A prime P is called special prime if there exist primes P1, P2, P3, P4. So altogether there are 5 primes in this question. It says that P is equal to P1 plus P2 is equal to P3 minus P4. The number of special primes is. So let's see how can we think about the various aspect of the question. See, is it possible for sum of two primes to be again a prime? It can be possible, like 2 plus 3 is prime, 2 plus 5 is prime. Means one of P1 and P2 must be 2, because we know that all the primes are odd except 2. 2 is the only even prime number. So if none of P1 and P2 is 2, both are odd primes, and sum of two odd number is an even number more than 2. Sum of two odd primes would be even more than 2. That is a composite number that cannot be prime P. So P is P1 plus P2. So from here it is very clear that one of P1 comma P2 is 2. Say P1 is 2, and then P would be 2 plus P2 will be odd prime. Clear? Now coming to the second information, then P3 would be P plus P4. Again, P is odd prime, and if P4 is not 2, both are odd, P and P4 both are odd primes, then by the same logic P3 cannot be prime. P3 would be an even number, composite number, cannot be prime. So from here it is again clear that P4 has to be 2, because P was odd prime, P4 has to be 2. So from here if we consider P, okay, 2, P and P3, they are actually P minus 2. P2 is, see from here, P1 is 2 na, so P minus 2 is P2 is P minus 2, P is prime, and P3 is P4 is 2 na, so P plus 2. So they are also consecutive odd numbers, 3 consecutive odd numbers, and they are primes also. Is it possible to get 3 consecutive odd numbers as all of them are prime? There is one possibility. One of the possibilities is 3, 5, 7. The very simple by some very simple observation, 3, 5, 7 is one such set of 3 consecutive odd primes. But there is a fact that other than this, there would not be any set where we can get 3 consecutive odd numbers, all of them are prime. Why? Because we know that you can, by giving little stress to the mind, you can observe that in any set of 3 consecutive odd numbers, there would be a multiple of 3, that is to be sure. Why? Let us consider what I told is, however, this set is also containing a multiple of 3. 3 is a multiple of 3, okay, but 3 is the only multiple of 3 which is prime also. Other than 3, 5, 7, let A plus 2, a plus 4. I am considering 3 consecutive odd numbers. Okay, b primes, I am just showing that it is not possible. Let is either 3k or 3k plus 1. Any number will be one of these three categories. There cannot be any number which cannot fall in any one of them. Any natural number when divided by 3 will leave remainder 0, 1 or 2 obviously. So when a is 3k, what are these three numbers? In case when a is 3k, the three numbers are 3k, 3k plus 2 and 3k plus 4. Here this is prime. This is composite, this is not a prime. When a is 3k plus 1, the next will be 3k plus 3, the next will be 3k plus 5. This is a multiple of 3. I was just saying now. So when a is 3k plus 2, next will be 3k plus 4, next will be 3k plus 6. This is a multiple of 3. So we saw that in every set of 3 consecutive odd numbers, there would be a multiple of 3 and that would be composite other than 357. So it fails. It fails. All of these 3 cannot be prime. Finally, observing all these, this is the only possibility, and in that case the middle number p is, this is 5, right? So finally p is equal to 5. The only special possible prime is 5. So 5 is the only special prime number. So number of such special prime is only 1. So answer must be B option. Exactly one option is. I hope you understood this and I have explained each and every aspect of the question. The last part in which I have shown that among any three consecutive odd numbers there be a multiple of 3, that is to be sure. Okay, so 357 is the only possible. P is equal to 5. So I hope you get it. Thank you, friends, and stay tuned for the next question.